Hi friends. I went to second grade and told them how smart my first graders were. And they told me about this awesome website called Freckle. So I made a class and I put your name in because I just think that you are brilliant. So I wanted to create a video that showed you how to get onto Freckle. The first thing you're going to do is go to the website student.freckle.com. You can even just type Freckle into Google and it will pull up with student login. So when you get to this page, student login, it's going to ask you to enter your class code. Our class code looks like this, 5HNJH7. That kind of sounds like a song. And then you're going to hit the arrow button to log in. Then it's going to ask you to
click on your name.
Click your name. Well, I'm going to use my friend Braden. Braden, is that okay with you? Phew, I hope you said yes. Are you ready to start? And then you're going to click the next arrow button. Sometimes you'll have things in here from your teacher. You'll see it from my teacher. Right now you'll see a number 1 because I'm going to have you take a little math assessment. It's not a hard math assessment. It's one of those fun ones. And I think that you can earn points. Yeah, coins right here, and you get to trade them in at the store to buy stuff. You even have an English one right here. And in library, this is the first one I want you to click on. And it says, are you ready to start the pre-test? Yes, please. This has a lot of fun games that you'll be able to play and earn coins for as well. So right now what I want you to do is go to Freckle, log in, find your name, go to From My Teacher to do the math assessment and play the math games, and go on to English and click on Library and start your pre-test. This gives Miss Lydell a whole bunch of information, and just like your power goal, it's specific to what you need to practice. So second grade uses this all the time for their really high readers, which is exactly what we have in our classroom. So go ahead and try that and let me know if you have any problems. Remember, you can watch this video over and over again to help you log in.